Let's understand how to create a knowledge base in the chatbot. To get started, go to the left navigation panel and click on the knowledge base icon. Then click on Create New. Enter a name for your knowledge base. Let's call this Product Strategy. Now upload your files. You can add different types of files like CSVs, PDFs, Word doc files, TXT files, and more. Images are also supported. Keep in mind the maximum size is 20 megabytes for images and up to 1,000 pages or 200 megabytes for documents. Also, credits are used when uploading files, and the usage depends on the file size. Larger files will consume more credits. You can also select from your previously uploaded files and include them in this knowledge base. Once all your files are added, click on Add to Knowledge Base. And just like that, your knowledge base is ready. Now you have a centralized space with all your key documents, making it easier to reference, analyze, and build on top of your data directly within the chatbot.